Shalom, it's Tehila from the Kefar, and in this video, I am going to teach you how to make a construct chain definite. And so some examples of some constructs: beit sefer, which is school; beit cholim, which is hospital; bakbuk yain, which is a bottle of wine. Okay, so these are phrases or words that are made up of two parts. If I want to make them definite, that is, put the in front of them, I have to add the ha, our definite article, to the second word and not the first. So for example, school, beit sefer; the school, beit ha-sefer. Okay, not ha-beit sefer, that's wrong, don't do it. Beit ha-sefer. Okay, hospital or a hospital, beit cholim; the hospital, beit ha-cholim. Okay, beit ha-cholim. A bottle of wine or a wine bottle, bakbuk yain; the wine bottle or the bottle of wine, bakbuk hayain. Okay, bakbuk hamayim, the water bottle. Kos hakafe, the cup of coffee. Okay, so anything that is a construct chain, those two words put together, when you want to make them definite, you add ha to the second word and not to the first. Okay, so that wraps up today's lesson, and I will see you for the next video. Lehitraot.